Hi everyone, how are you all doing? How are your days going? A bit boring? A bit colorless? Mundane perhaps? We indeed are going through trying times, but we cannot let that dampen our spirits now, can we? We here at Asian College of Teachers are leaving no stones unturned to make sure that learning does not stop. In fact, all of us are working from home. The whole tutor support is working day in and out to make sure that you get the best learning experience possible. You've got queries, we solve them. You don't know how to go about the assignment, we try to help you. We would support you in any way and every way we can. I know it can be hard staying indoors all the time. And honestly, flipping through the news channels, it's not helping with the anxiety either. But I'll tell you what, this is probably the best possible time to invest in yourself. You can do everything that you wanted to do, but you never got the time to. Pick up a new hobby. You can utilize these days in the most productive way possible. I hope all of you are taking care of yourself and your loved ones. I hope you're staying indoors. I hope you're staying safe. Wash your hands frequently. And let's take some time to applaud the ones who are out there on the battlefield fighting this deadly COVID-19. Our health workers, the police, the ones who are providing the essential services, all of them are doing a commendable job. Let's applaud them. Let's sincerely thank them. And I hope all of us can stay safe, all of us can stay healthy, and we would hope for a better and brighter future. Stay healthy, everyone.